Hirsch Cooling and Heating is your trusted source for HVAC solutions. Hirsch carries the HVAC products you need from the brands you know and trust, including Heil, Oxbox, Innovair, in stock and ready for pickup or delivery today. Find everything you need with our selection of package units, mini splits, heat pumps, and the HVAC solutions you need to get the job done. Get more jobs done in a day with our Hirsch Now suite of services. Whether you need a fast pickup, reliable job site delivery, expert support via text, or seamless mobile payments, we've got you covered. Want to put more money back in your pocket and your customer's pocket? Let our team help you find the HVAC rebate you need to get the most out of your next install. Visit any one of our live convenient locations in Riverside, Indio, Redlands, Hemet, and Los Angeles, and let our team help you get the products you need fast.